Hey guys, John here with Authntk. Hope everyone is doing well. Just wanted to shoot a real quick video and give you an update on a couple things. I know in December we launched and announced that we had a huge app update coming out soon. And good news, we are in the final testing process of that. We are rolling out the beta test this week, and then our goal is to have the Android version live in Google Play next week for all of you to download and get your hands on. iPhone's going to follow a couple weeks after that. But we are super excited about it. It's a totally redesigned application. Everything from the app icon is redone to the way we're handling uploads in the back end, and just everything looks really good and really clean. I can't wait to show it to you. I did want to show you just a quick sneak peek of it now. Here's a couple features. So this is one feature that I think you guys will really like. This is the video review page that you're used to. So I just recorded a video, and now I can actually choose and add a video, an intro or an outro to this video that I just created. So that's going to be really cool. I think you guys will like that a lot. This is the new homepage. You can see it's completely redesigned and streamlined. We also have this hamburger menu up here now, which will give you some options. You'll be able to go to your uploads page, and all your uploads will be here, and you can resend them and see the status of your existing uploads. These are just a couple of the small things that are going in here that we think you guys will love. Can't wait to get it in your hands. So those are just a couple of the many features that are going to be included in this update. We were just so excited to show you guys that we wanted to give you a quick little tease. But we will be putting out a full video next week walking you through screen by screen everything you need to know. And also on our blog right now is a list of all the new features, what's changing, what's not changing, and everything you need to do to get ready for this big app update. So we are super excited. You guys will be too. And we can't wait to get this in your hands next week.